Your check engine light is on, you scan the car, and the code P0130 shows up. Before you replace the oxygen sensor and spend money, stop and watch this video. P0130 means the engine computer is not receiving a proper signal from the front oxygen sensor. This sensor is known as Bank 1 Sensor 1, and it plays a critical role in controlling the air-fuel mixture. When this signal is incorrect, missing, or unstable, engine performance and fuel efficiency can suffer. To understand why this happens, you first need to understand what the front oxygen sensor does. This sensor is mounted in the exhaust before the catalytic converter. Its job is to monitor the oxygen content in the exhaust gases coming directly from the engine. The engine computer uses this information to constantly adjust fuel delivery and keep the air-fuel mixture balanced. When the oxygen sensor is working correctly, its signal rapidly switches between rich and lean. This constant switching tells the engine computer that combustion is happening properly. If the signal becomes stuck, very slow, or disappears completely, the computer sets the P0130 code. One of the most common mistakes people make is immediately replacing the oxygen sensor. While a failed sensor is possible, it is not always the real problem. In many cases, the sensor is only reporting a problem caused by something else. Wiring and connector issues are a very common cause of P0130. The oxygen sensor operates in extremely high temperatures. Over time, heat can damage wiring insulation, loosen connectors, or cause corrosion. Even a small wiring problem can interrupt the sensor signal and trigger this code. Exhaust leaks are another major cause. If there is a leak near the oxygen sensor, extra oxygen can enter the exhaust stream. This changes the sensor readings and confuses the engine computer. The sensor may appear faulty even though it is working correctly. Engine performance problems can also lead to a P0130 code. Vacuum leaks, misfires, or fuel delivery issues can change exhaust oxygen levels. When combustion becomes unstable, the oxygen sensor signal may not behave as expected. Contamination is another important factor. Oil burning, coolant leaks, or excessive fuel additives can coat the oxygen sensor. A contaminated sensor may respond slowly or send inaccurate data. This can trigger a circuit malfunction code, even if the electrical circuit is intact. Before replacing any parts, proper diagnosis is critical. Start by scanning the vehicle for additional trouble codes. Misfire codes, fuel trim codes, or exhaust-related codes can help identify the real cause. P0130 is often a symptom, not the root problem. Next, check live data using a scan tool. Watch the front oxygen sensor voltage once the engine is fully warm. A healthy sensor should switch rapidly between high and low voltage. If the signal is flat, very slow, or missing, further testing is required. Inspect the oxygen sensor wiring and connector carefully. Look for melted insulation, damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Pay close attention to areas near the exhaust where heat damage is common. Check for exhaust leaks near the sensor. Listen for ticking noises, inspect exhaust gaskets, and look for black soot marks. Even small leaks can cause major sensor reading problems. If the sensor is confirmed to be faulty, replacement may be necessary. Always use a quality sensor that meets manufacturer specifications. Cheap or incorrect sensors can cause repeat codes and poor performance. After repairs, clear the trouble code and test drive the vehicle. Monitor oxygen sensor data to confirm proper operation. The sensor should respond quickly and consistently under different driving conditions. In many cases, fixing a wiring issue, repairing an exhaust leak, or correcting an engine performance problem will clear the P0130 code. Diagnosing the system first can save you time, money, and frustration. Always diagnose first, understand the data, and fix the root cause. Before replacing parts, check our channel for more diagnostic tips and real-world fixes. Fix Car Codes helps you understand the problem before you spend your money.